Who went to the temple? Peter and John. What was the name of the gate? The Beautiful Gate. What did the man say to everyone who walked by? Please, sir, can you spare some change? What was the first thing Peter asked the man to do? Look up here. What was it that Peter couldn't give to the man? Money. What was the second thing Peter asked the man to do? Get up and walk. How quickly was the man able to stand? In an instant. The man got up and walked, but what other actions did he do? Jumping, dancing, and praising God. Can you complete Peter's sentence? There's no need to stare in amazement. We have not healed this man by our own power, but through the power of Jesus Christ. When Peter spoke to the crowd, what did he say had healed the man? Faith in Jesus.